Here's the next game. Hide and seek. With a twist. Is every game gonna have a twist in it? Maybe. Maybe not. Let's find out then. And this might be the longest game ever do. Oh great. The Seekers are gonna hunt people down, and whoever gets captured first loses. So get to hiding, because the Seekers are gonna get ya. Okay then, that's kind of creepy. Let's go. I go have my revenge for my brother Murr. Let's do it, Mario. Let's end it all before it starts all over again. Agree, brother? Alright, fellas, what gonna do? Revenge. Why? 'Cause I can. I gonna stop you? Oh, you gonna regret that, boy. Help, please. No, I'm gonna leave you there, so that you can just be out of the way. So, adios. Oh no. Are you the Seeker? Oh no. Let go now. Alright. I now him up a tree. Woody, what are you doing here? Your team member lost, so the entire team lost too. Damn it. God damn it. No. Alright. Mario's team lost again. And Fluffy's team won. So, on to the next game. That's funny.